When the team down, oh body, you go dance. Hey, shake body, shake and bounce. Hey, 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 shake body, shake and bounce. When the team down, oh body, you go dance. I dey like Jijomi, I like shawarma, but not too much calories, so I chop banana. 180.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video I'm very excited about. I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to achieve this wet look. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, if you don't know already, I've done a wet look on my 4C natural hair, and if you want to know what it looks like, I'm going to put a link to the video in the description box below, so you go ahead and check out what the wet look actually looks on my 4C natural hair. But for this video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do the wet look on this wig. This wig is from Somber Hair Company. I'm going to put all the hair specs and everything in the description box below. If you have a coily wig at home and you're someone that fancies the wet look, if you have my type of hair, which is 4C hair, or if your hair is really short and you really want to achieve the wet look, you can actually do it with your wig. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to slick down the wig to actually look like this. As you guys can see, it looks so beautiful. I actually really love the way it turned out. If you want to go out on a special occasion or anything like that, and you just want to do something outstanding that people will actually notice, definitely try this wet look. Especially if you have 4C hair, you just use a coily wig. You can use any coily wig, you know. You can even use a synthetic coily wig for all I know. But this wig is a very beautiful human hair wig, and that's what I used to achieve the wet look, and I absolutely love it. I hope you guys love it too. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also comment. Let me know in the comment section that you actually like it, and let's just get into the video. Hi guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So guys, this is the wig. As you guys can see, it's a very beautiful coily wig. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace frontal part to make it look more like my skin tone. So right here, I'm wearing my stocking cap already. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my wig. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how to wear your stocking cap, I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Now I'll be going in with my got to be glue gel. And I'm gonna blow dry with my blow dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. Watching movies all night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Now I'm just taking my spirit. I'm gonna clean any shine in front of my hairline, and then I'm gonna go ahead and create a middle part. You can create a side part if you want. They know Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and create my baby hair. This is totally optional. After creating the baby hair, I'm going to tie a scarf on it and leave it for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to take off the scarf and then I'm applying my foundation on the hairline to make it look more like my skin tone. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and spray a mixture of leave-in conditioner and water. And also, I'm going to spray just water on the wig. As you guys know, we're going for the wet look. But you're not going to spray water to the extent that water will be dripping from your hair, you know. You're just going to spray a reasonable amount of water to make the coils pop out more. Then right here, I'm going to comb down the top, just the top. As you guys can see, I'm not combing the hair through. I'm just combing just the top part to lay it flat properly. And then I'm going to go in with my serum, my heat protectant serum. I'm going to apply it on the hair. I'm going to take a little bit more and apply. So now to get that wet look very well, I'm going to go ahead and apply my hair mousse on it. And I'll brush it down a little bit. Now I'll be using my hot comb to lay the top of the hair very flat. You have to be careful with this comb, seriously. If you're not careful, you're going to burn yourself. So right here, I'm going to apply my jam. I know that this jam is like a gel. It's going to hold it down very well. At the same time, it's going to give it a very beautiful shine that we actually want.
All night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money.
After applying the jam, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf on it and leave it for about 5 minutes and then yes, I'm back and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, you guys can see this is absolutely beautiful. I really love the way this coily wig turned out. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys, bye. So I've washed and conditioned my hair. You guys can see that the shrinkage is mad, like seriously. Like I'm just wondering how I'm going to do the what's it called, wet look with this type of hair.